Hey guys, and this video we are going to see unboxing and a review of this portable tripod. This is from a brand called Digtek. So I purchased this one from Amazon. So this one actually costed me around 900 rupees. So on the sides, as you could see, it has a three-way head with adjustable pan, easy flip locks, and it's rubberized legs. It also has a cushioning bubble bead, so it also can be rotated. So the model number, actually it is the model number DTR480LW. So these are the packages which are included in it. So it is a mobile holder. So the maximum load, actually it can carry around 2 kgs, and it comes up to a height of 4.75 feet. It's foldable. As you could see, you could just fix in this box. The tube die has 20 mm, and I don't know what it is covered. Okay, so these are all useless. Okay, so let us open it. I hope actually Amazon didn't have a cover for this. Okay, packaging box, so they gave me just as it is, like this. So it comes with a black color pouch. Let's keep this aside and I will just show you this. So this cover you get like this, so that you can carry it on your shoulders. So things what are all inside. So this is actually the phone mount. I think you can't mount your cameras. So if you're investing in taking videos in a camera, I think you have to go up for a better priced tripod. Okay, so this is actually, see, these are all plastics. Okay, and this one actually is made up of rubber. So it has 3 clips. So you get this Digtek over here, and this one actually it is rotatable. So what you have to do is you have to just fix it over here, and you can move it like this. I think also you can move this even like this. Okay, yeah, this one goes up and down. This is for the tight. So tripods like this actually needs to be handled with care, to be honest. Otherwise the breakages of this clips will easily break off. So it's of just a normal quality, it's not too good. Yeah. So which I purchased just for 900. So this metal is actually great. It's just a tube actually, as you could see. This is just a tube. Okay, so it's a hollow tube. Don't have this much things, you just have this outer hollow tube. Okay. It's easy to open. It looks like this when you open up. So this is the minimum height. It can't be lowered more than this. Okay. And this one, either you can fix it like this, or you can fix it like this, depending on your mobile usage. Okay, normally usually people used to fix it like this. That's when you can take videos from this angle. Okay, so this actually is, I hope you can fix the cameras when you're fixing it, but smaller phones can be fixed, guys. So this is not meant for DSLR actually, to be honest. I'll show you. So this is how it looks after fixing. You just need to rotate it on the counterclockwise, so it gets tightened up. So talking about the adjustments, so as you see the bubble here, so this might actually give you a proper angle. Okay, so next, so this one actually is for the clockwise this moment, okay, up and down moment. And also you can turn it up. So to lock this, actually they have given this one. Okay, so you cannot turn this one. Right, and for increasing this height, it is just one. Talking about this leg, actually, if you just need to open it, and you have to just pull it out. This one comes out when you pull this one, and you can just lock it so it doesn't goes back in. You can just open it and this one goes in. Okay, so this one you will just open and comes out. Okay, so which keeps this holding is there will be a small rubber inside it, so this thing actually goes and presses this one, so it gets hold. So due to long age, suppose if you're using it a lot, this rubber gets degraded and it will not hold, it will become a bit loose. Okay, I had a hold which one is from Amazon, small Amazon tubes, okay, Amazon Basics. So that one actually didn't go well, so I just used it for 1 year something. So I think this is actually good, to be honest. Only in full stage it is coming out. If you're just locking it slightly, it is not going in, so I think this might be a bit durable. So this is a stage 1 height, so minimum height of this tripod. And this is the stage 2, where I have opened up the first leg. This is the stage 3, where I have opened up the second leg. This is the final step, so the maximum height, so where I have opened up this rod. Okay. So this is the maximum height which it can go. It's coming around 5.5 feet, to be honest. So the durability of this tripod actually depends on how well you use it. Okay, so you need to be more cautious and careful when you're opening this rods and pushing it down and all. Okay, so don't know how much scratches it might take from inside the inner tubes. I will use this one for a long term and post you guys the review. Okay, so that's it from this video, guys. So until then, do subscribe and watch our channel.